Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we'll show you how to use Google AI Studio. Now, the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open Google AI Studio on your browser. And once you open it, it will show here this interface. On the right side here, you can navigate to the AI modules. You can get Gemini, you can get the Gemma, and you have Gemini 1.5 and Gemini 2. So here in my case, I will go for Gemini 2, for example, this one. And after that, you can ask the AI any question. I can ask it, what are the causes rain, for example. Then click on run or control, and after that it will take a few minutes in order to give you the answer. And down below right here, it will show you how many seconds does it take. And when you click on this arrow right here, it will show you thing that is called the model thoughts. So this model thoughts, it will show you everything according to how the AI thinks. Down below here, you will find all the text related to the answer of your question. Now, another thing that you can do is to simply go to stream and click on talk or webcam or share screen, and you can ask it many things. Let's say that I will click on talk. You just have to give it the permission. So now I'm talking with it. Hey, now Gemini, tell me.
Is Gemini the name of the tool you are talking with?
Yes, is it or not?
Okay. Are you having any specific issues or questions about Gemini that I can help with?
Yes, please tell me, what are the causes of solar eclipse?
A solar eclipse occurs when the moon passes between the sun and Earth, blocking the sun's light and casting a shadow on Earth. Would you like more details?
What about lunar eclipse?
A lunar eclipse happens when the Earth passes between the sun and moon, casting a shadow on the moon. Want to know more?
All right, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
After you finish, click on stop recording or click on disconnect. Another thing that you can do is to simply go and click on the starter apps and go to Map Explorer. Map Explorer, when you click on any one of these options down below, it will take you to somewhere cold, for example. It will show it on the map. It will take you to somewhere ancient, somewhere green, but you just have to click on this option right here. When you go and click on this zoom out section, it will zoom out like so. Now you can see the whole map, you can see the directions and etc. And you can type here anything that you want to show it on the map. So let's say, tell me where are the pyramids. Then click on run right here. It will take a few time. It will show you some things here and it will tell exactly where are the pyramids. But here it gives me the pyramids in Sudan. So I can even ask it to give me the Mexican ones. So I will type here the Mexican, then type run. You can even add an image right here. Just click on this section right here and choose if you want to clear the chat or not. And you can even go to the chat again and add a screenshot and ask anything about this thing here in the screenshot. I will ask it, where is it on map, for example. Then click on run, and it will show me all details. And another thing that you can do is use the video analyzer. The video analyzer, you can put here a camera or add a video by clicking the button right here, and you can ask anything about the video inside this area right here. So here I will upload a video, small video. You can upload it from your drive or your files, so, and ask anything about it. And down below here, you'll see the history. You can add some history from your files, including the Google Drive history that you have. You can get API keys by clicking on this section right here. On the top right side here, you have the settings. You can choose the light mode, dark theme, or even your system theme. But you need to know that this AI is still under construction, so it may take some time to be in full potential. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in the new video.